Taurus, September 15 to 21 po ang reading natin. So, welcome po sa Scorp's Work Tarot. Sana nasa mabuti tayong kalagayan. Shoutout po ako sa mga OFW na nagtsatsagang manood sa akin. Yes, kung meron man nanonood. So, sorry po. September 15 to 21, medyo makati yung aking lalamunan. Magkape-kape po tayo, magkwentuhan tayo. Tingnan natin yung energy ng Taurus September 15 to 21. So, kamusta po ang ating mga kababayang nasa Pilipinas? So, ingat po sa baha. Tignan natin, subaybayan natin yung mga circus na nangyayari sa Pilipinas. Tama po ba? Oops, gumalaw ba yung camera ko? Yes, okay. Yeah, okay. So, September 15, tignan natin yung energy ni Taurus. Ang mga hardworking Taurus sign. Yeah, mga hardworking yan eh. Oh, meron nang bumaliktad. Ito, wala na namang clarity. Merong malabo na sitwasyon. Yung illusion mo. Yes. Meron ka na namang gusto mo lang namang magpunta sa matahimik na lugar and keep that peace, pero hindi pa ayaw sa'yo ibigay, parang napakaramot ng panahon. Hinihintay mo na yan na pagkatagal-tagal kasi nagmamahala naman kayo. Mahal mo siya o mahal ka niya. Pero bakit palagi na lang na nag-aaway kayo at puro pagbibigay mo o puro pagbibigay niya? Meron bang ganyan, Taurus? Okay. They're on the same color. Matagal na ito. Meron kang ikaw na ang palaging ito yung mga game na ikaw ang palaging nagpaparaya. Naghihintay ka ba ng merong isa sa inyo magsabi kung ano yung nangyayari? Naghihintay ang isa't isa kung ano ba talaga yung nangyayari. Bakit nangyari ito sa atin? Okay? Hindi ito love story na Romeo. That's a painful love story. Pwedeng ganoon. Hindi ito yung Cinderella happy ever after type of story. Kasi okay, it all started in like a Cinderella love story. You thought yung partnership na yan it's a dream partnership. Yes, hazy, dreamy, the illusion na masaya ito, magiging masaya ako para sa iyo. Ngayon, para sinasabi mo ngayon para akong nagkamali. Meron bang ganyan, Taurus? Meron bang ganyan? Ayan, gusto mo this is moving away to find that happiness na hindi mo nakita. I think the relationship issue ito. Tignan natin si Taurus. Na in love si Taurus. Akala niya na yun ang na ang tagal ng pagsasama na yun, meron kayong commonality in terms of what you believe in. Parehong ikaw ay matyaga, kayo ay matyaga. Yes, ito yung knowing Taurus also. You always want to grow your your pentacle. Hindi mo ginagawa ito para sa sarili mo lamang. It's always about the other kasi bias ako sa Taurus kasi alam ko nagkaroon ako ng close friend also. Actually ka-office mate na we work in the same company on and off. Oh my gosh. Would you believe? 10 taon. Kaya alam ko ang disiplina ng Taurus. And hindi ito magiging hindi ito basta-basta lalayo kung talagang it's not something na heavy. Alam mo yung tipong ganoon. Hindi yan kasi when they commit themselves, ito yung sinasabi niya itong Ace of Pentacles na to, it's not an opportunity. Para sa kanya maybe it's always an opportunity. That's how ikaw dito nag-define ng kung ano yung foundation na hinahanap mo. For you, ibibigay mo lahat. Ayan yan yan ang Taurus lahat ng temper, pasensya, ibibigay mo. Okay? Kung pareho kayong Taurus, ibibigay nyo lahat. Solid foundation, let's grow together. Yeah. Let's grow together. You are committed. Lahat ng energy. Ngayon, bumuo tayo ng, let's say, ng pamilya. Yes. Anong kailangan ng pamilya? Magandang pundasyon. O nagkaroon ka ng panibagong pagmamahal dito. Kasi nagkaroon ka ng dito parang nag-solo flight dito. Nag-solo flight. Meron nag-solo flight. Meron bang ibang I just noticed this, you see that hairline connected to this communication line. Merong disconnect dito. Did you found somebody na mas mayaman, mas matalino, mas mature? Maturity can be at play here. Okay? As emotion-wise, you are connected. Okay? Mentally wise, somebody is smarter than you are. Or intimidated ka, Taurus. Or that's what you're looking. Is that what you're looking? Because again, yung definition mo ng kung this is a love reading, okay, OFW, trabaho tayo. So, gusto mo ng magandang office, gusto mo ng masarap na coffee na nasa pantry, yun ang definition mo and hindi maibigay ng kumpanya kasi masyado kang matalino. Okay? Or kumbaga sa employer, yung employer mo mataas yung expectation, hindi mo siya ma-meet, meron ka lang ibang mai-offer to which is substandard. Meron bang ganyan? There's as far as yung emotion sa relationship, meron kayong connection noong office mate mo, ng coworker mo, ng amo mo. Pero at emotional level lang. Kasi wala ka namang ma-contribute. Yes? Pero ba ganyan? Yeah, meron. Alam ko yan sa trabaho. Masayang kasama, pero wala namang maibigay. Yes? Pero kapag submission na ng report, walang maibigay. Now, putting that on a relationship context, Hindi na lang puro pagmamahal at love, love, love. Yeah. Knowing Taurus minsan, yun na yata yun ang malabo sa'yo eh. Hazy ka doon eh. Hazy. Hazy yung yung fundamentals ng relationship. Hazy. Meron kang illusion na you think it's perfect, or he or she thinks na yung relationship nyo is perfect. At the physical level, I don't think it even at the physical level. Yeah, maybe. Maybe. Pero I can say merong another issue of people around you. I don't see any third party here. Kung relationship po ito. Tignan natin. Oh, very interesting. Meron bang ganyan, Taurus? Tignan natin. Tignan natin kung ano ang kulang dito na malabo sa'yo. Meron dito something malabo kasi naghihintay ka ng communication or decision. Darating ba yun? I don't see it's darating kasi malabo. May mga sitwasyon na malabo na parang you just ignoring it, or you just okay na sa'yo na ganito muna, I don't want to make a decision. There's an coming new as far as yung solid foundation ng kung ano man itong relasyon na ito. If it's a wish to have somebody new, or naiinip ka na, nawawala ka na ng pasensya kasi you're expecting na yung isa magbabago, or if you want to have a kid, you don't have a kid, and ayaw na ng yung isa gusto and somebody else doesn't. If you're expecting a kid, it will happen, but you need the right timing, and that causes you stress. Yan ang energy kasi napakabagal. Merong mabagal trabaho-wise affecting your financial resources as well, kasi merong ayun nga, yung pag-ibig, hindi na lang puro pag-ibig, ika nga, kailangan kumilos din. But I don't see it's an issue na you're just taking it slow, pero meron kang gustong desisyonan, parang nababagalan ka na, o hinihintay na desisyon. Yung partnership na tinatanong, I don't see that you're questioning it. Okay, kunin ko ito. So, yung movement mo, mukhang gusto mo nang makarating sa okay, knowing Taurus, indecisive kasi ito eh. Well, now you're running out of patience kung ano man yung gusto mong desisyonan. Okay, bumagsak siya. Tignan natin ito. Ito na naman. Nasa mentality ka na, okay, at your heart level, parang matabang kasi you always thinking for something better. Is it your standard again? Yung motivation mo nandyan. Motivation to what? What is your motivation, Taurus? Motivation to earn more money? Yeah, nandyan yan. If you're looking for that motivation to grow your pentacle and foundation, kung ano yung definition mo ng foundation, it's coming. You don't need to worry. Yes? Pero yung vacuum mo sa puso, okay, yung vacuum mo sa puso, yun ang hinihintay mo pa yata. Or yung nagiging hindrance. I don't see it's an hindrance. I don't see it's an hindrance. Because tipong sa relationship, yung isang partner mas maliit ang sweldo or hindi nakakapag-provide. So, napagod ka na sa pagpo-provide. Ito yung sitwasyon na yaan. And you want to make a decision. Kung pupunta ka na, pupunta na ako sa isang lugar, to earn more money for both of us. Yun yung direction na gusto mong puntahan. Ngayon, if it's not the money is an issue, yung dynamics ng relationship mo, because the money is affecting, merong spill over sa partnership ninyo, you want to escape kasi mataas yung standard mo in terms of what the other person is providing in terms of love. Yun ang hinahanap mo. Yung passion mo to drive and your ambition is there. But something is holding you. Something is holding you. Yun ang nasisense ko rito. And you want to act now. Kung ano man yung you want to act now at news na hinihintay mo. And it's coming. I'm not so sure kung sino itong energy na parang somebody is keeping something to himself or herself. Is that the worry, the illusion na hinihintay mo yung clarity? Darating na din yun kung ano man yun. If it's work-related, may hinihintay kang promotion or something, it's moving to that direction. Yung tinanim mo na pundasyon, you're starting to lose that temper, also the patience. And it's coming. That's all I can say here, Taurus. Oh, very interesting. Who is this man or a woman who na hinihintay mo magdesisyon? If it's a third party or one of you. Okay. Yung parang merong doubt dito sa partnership. That's one thing I can see. Parang may doubt sa partnership. I can sense that there's a doubt in partnership. Okay. What's playing here is if the news and the decision will come as soon as possible. Yung doubt, that's something for you to decide on. Kasi yun ang hazy things na what's happening. You're looking for that clarity. I think that clarity na kaya ka hindi ka you are on that ano ba tawag dito? Pause. This person is at the pause. Naka-break yung makina niya eh. Kasi nga hinihintay niya yung decision. I do not know what is this two guy. Pero yung passion mo, there to move and grow and to expand. Kung relationship, gusto mo i-move, save yung relationship. Yes? Kung sa trabaho yan, gusto mo mag-stay sa trabaho, you see future and potential. Yes? Pero, meron kang hinihintay na clarity kasi parang bitin ka. You're offering that something na coming at the emotional level. Yung offer na yun, maging honest, kung merong nagsisinungaling, and you need to keep that patience intact. That's what it means. Somebody has the drive and that passion. Nandiyan siya eh. That passion is also motivating you. Knowing Taurus is also looking for that at work, kasi alam ko magtrabaho itong si Taurus na ito eh. Kung gusto niya kung ano yung ibinigay niya sa table during the discussion, gusto niya magbigay ka rin, huwag kang tumunganga. Agree? Yeah, gaya si Taurus eh. Huwag naman puro ako nagsasalita dito sa meeting room, ikaw wala ka ma-contribute. Yeah, that's true. That's Taurus people. I love Taurus people. Um, Yun ang energy dito. Ano pang kukunin kong card dito? Just want to add something here. You're waiting for yung news darating na, and you just need more patience. Kasi bisa naging impatient si Taurus eh. If you want to save something, a relation, ito na naman siya. Oh. The King of Swords. The King of Swords is all about making a decision. It can be very sharp. It can be very sharp decision. Taurus. Ikaw ba'y magbibigay ng decision? Yeah. Is it you? This is coming all everything is coming from the heart the heart area natin, yung puso natin, yung ating emotion, yung cups natin. What makes us feel yung ating puso nung ating emosyon? Nasaktan yata si Taurus. Misa kasi pag nasaktan dito si Taurus, maano din ito eh. Wala, very solid yan. Wala nang keme ito eh. Mag-i-impake na ito at ano. Ito nga oh, yung hinihintay mo yung love offer sa'yo. Love offer, kaya nagsara muna siya. Kumbaga sa ano hindi mo na ako mag-entertain or mag-entertain ako pero kapiraso lang. Yung bang ibibigay mo yung energy mo na you are happy, or parang sa date, konti-konti lang ibinibigay mo. You don't give everything. Kasi until you find that right love offer, naku, ini-snub niya oh. Ini-snub mo yan eh. Ini-snub mo yan, Taurus eh. Parang hindi ka convinced. Ayun oh. Kumbaga sa ano hindi ako magtsatsaga dyan. Hindi mo pala afford na pakainin ako ng 500,000, 700,000 worth of dinner. Yan eh. It affects, merong effect yan din sa financial, also sa stability. Kasi sino ang makakabayad ng 700,000? Agree? Yes. So, kaya ka nasa mode ng ganyan na ano, hindi ka, I'm just giving some funny, relatable story para makuha natin itong sitwasyon ni Taurus. Kung ano may yung love offer na hinihintay mo, something deeper for you, darating na siya. And because sabi na lang ng taro na ito na binigay niya na lang sa akin, after that hazy, okay, from the moon, sa gabi liliwanag na yung araw. As simple as that. Whatever does it mean to everybody. September 15 to 21. Yes, meron ba ganyan, Taurus? This is a sana all moment. I think it's more on the emotional level. Kayo po yung mag-connect yan. Kung yan ay sa trabaho, sa pamilya, sa boyfriend, sa girlfriend, sa partner ninyo, o sa sa kapitbahay ninyo. That's something. Taurus, September 15 to 21. And you're gonna be lucky. Nakakaingit ito. Yung partnership sa negosyo na kung meron man na inano ka, pinaglaruan ka or something, mamahalin ka daw. That's how it is. Kaya nakaano ka eh. Kasi Taurus madalas ng ganito eh. I always caught my office mate on this one. Kasi tagaan yan, very ano naman tawag dito, naka-eye sa lahat ng ano yan eh, ng what you're giving. They're very generous, definitely. They're very generous. Pero minsan, I think this is the time na you want to love yourself first. Agree? Meron ba ganyan, Taurus? Okay. So, one oracle card kay Taurus, September 15. Ilan yung binigay? 2. Oh, okay. Kunin natin 2. Maganda yung mga reading ni Taurus lately. O, sabi dito, let go of that which is causing your inner turmoil. Now is a time for casting away emotion that are no longer serving you. Kaya ka naka-snub ka dun sa offer sa'yo eh. It doesn't serve you anymore. Maghintay ka ng ng offer na ito. Ayan. Yan ang hinihintay mo. So for you, that would make you even happier to move to your happiness zone. Yes? And ano pa yung sabi ng moon na isa? Now is a good time to focus on achieving your own financial goal. Yeah. I think ito yung palagi kong reading ka, Taurus. What's happening? Yung energy niya palagi is on that Four of Pentacles. Hindi ito yung maramot eh. You know your worth. Kaya hindi ka nagko-compromise in terms of yung ibibigay sa'yo in terms of your relationship because alam mo na kaya mong ibigay ito. Kung hindi mo ito maibibigay kasi you have to start in yourself. Kaya sabi dito, good focus on achieving your own personal goals. I think before you can share your abundance, you grow it yourself first. Agree? Yeah. So that's how it is, and you will find that true happiness. Kung ano man yung balance na hinahanap mo, parang hilaw eh. Dalawang beses mong inisnab itong offer na ito eh. Oh. Hindi ka masaya doon. So build your resources and I think it's another way of perspective of love yourself, grow your whatever sa sarili mo muna, and that love that you are looking for, kung ano man ito, will come. Because after that moon, there is the sun coming for you, Taurus. Yeah. September 15 to 21 po. Shout out sa mga OFW. Yeah, tignan natin. Magkwentuhan po tayo kung ano yung naka-resonate. Yeah, so, hope everybody's well. See you again. Salamat po.